Samsung suddenly revealed new Galaxy Note 10 details, and guys, today's video is completely dedicated to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. We have all firm information regarding when it is going to be launched, what is going to be priced, what are going to be its specification, how it's going to be its design, and everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Samsung's most exciting smartphone of 2019 is still to come, but today the company has hidden new details of its biggest and most controversial model in an official video. Posting to its Samsung Galaxy Newsroom YouTube channel, the company has confirmed August 7 will be the launch date of the Galaxy Note 10, but the hidden within the video are also some keys that detail about the phone which is easy to miss. The headline news which everyone is taking away is Samsung's teaser reveals that Galaxy Note 10 will move to a punch-hole camera design like the Samsung Galaxy S10, but this is just the start. Samsung uses the S Pen to draw the punch hole in the center of the screen, and the Galaxy Note 10 has long been tripped to center punch hole rather than push it to the side like the S10. Samsung then ran home this point is completing the drawing of the punch hole and the exact center of the video at 8 seconds of its 16-second running time. In addition to this, as the S Pen draws the punch hole, the shadow from the pen subtly changes color, moving from turquoise to blue to yellow to pink as popular Samsung Insider ICE Universe notes. This corresponds to the limited edition Magic Silver Shimmer version of the Galaxy S10 Plus, which points to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 offering the same finish. An alternative is the colors represent the different color option. Away from the video, I can objectively say the new Galaxy Note 10 model, there will be two for the first time, do look superb, and they come with a welcome camera upgrade as well. But there are also substantial fears that not only is the headphone jack is dead, but the micro SD slot will also go as well. If true, debuting these changes using the Note range would be absurd, especially given the expected price hike. My tip is that you don't go for the Note 10 unless you are thoroughly impressed, because Samsung has a far more ambitious Galaxy and a far better value one, both coming soon. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 release date is nearly with us as the official launch of the new powerful handset from South Korean brand has been confirmed for August 7 in New York. The invite, which teases new infrared selfie camera abilities, shows the S Pen, Samsung's built-in stylus for the Note range, circling around a new sensor, and the link to the invite says that the launch will take the Galaxy's connected ecosystem to the next level. So guys, in the launch, the person I know who is confirmedly going is Everything Apple Pro, and he's going to publish a video regarding everything we will see in the keynote. So guys, I will be also hooked up to his channel because most of the content which you see on this channel is inspired by his videos, and that's the only reason. And I'm going to be waiting for any other further news, and I'm going to be making videos based on that topic. So on Wednesday, August 7, the new Galaxy Note 10 will appear on stage in Brooklyn at Barclays Center, the same as the Note 9 launch. This launch event will be later in the day locally for New York, 4 p.m. EDT, 1 p.m. PDT, and 9 p.m. BST, and 6 a.m. AEST. This is hardly unexpected leak given we have been seeing rumors of a similar launch date for a few weeks now, and the Samsung CEO himself named checked the phone to TechRadar at recent media briefing. What we are expecting from the upcoming Note 10 launch. The Galaxy Note 10 is about to get some of the bezel-less Samsung Galaxy S10 treatment, along with a punch hole display. According to the latest Note 10 leaks, however, the front-facing camera that fills that punch hole is poised to be the center aligned, and there appears to be only one camera peering out of the display. The Galaxy 10 Plus has two front cameras in a wide oval shaped hole, and the S10 5G has three front cameras. The rear cameras also appear to be shifted to the left side of a vertically triple lens camera setup. The extra camera is likely for a depth sensing time of flight camera, and of course the S Pen is due to get more tricks in 2019 model. We might see the RAM Max out at 12 gigs in certain versions, and we are expected the chipset to get Snapdragon 855 in the regular and the rumored Pro or Plus higher specification model. So guys, in this video from Samsung has set up something about the connected ecosystem. So I really wonder that what is the connected ecosystem? Well, there has been a lot of chatter around Bixby being given even greater powers, as well as Samsung SmartThings, Smart Home Play getting a big upgrade. So it might not just be a new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 that lands at this event in August. Samsung needs to go a long way to improve both Bixby, the voice assistant, which launched to muted interest, and Smart Home Play. There, it's already far behind the likes of Google and Amazon. That said, the South Korean brand has a lot of users that it can relish in a similar way to Apple and its Walled Garden ecosystem, or so perhaps the future will have another player in the connected home space. Now let me talk something regarding the Samsung Galaxy Note 10's battery life rumors. We have also heard rumors that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, or at least the Pro versions, could have a 4500 mAh battery, up from 4000 mAh on the Note 9. And it might charge fast, with multiple sources suggesting it will exceed 25 watt. The Galaxy S10 is only 15 watt. One claim point to it reaching as much as 45 watts. Then again, another sources disputes that, saying that actually it will just be 25 watts. So we are really not sure at the moment. There's also some dispute about the battery size, with a source saying that the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro will have a 4170 mAh battery. And guys, here is a very interesting topic, and that is a lower price. Yes guys, we are hoping that Apple will give us lower price, but this report claims that the report from TechRadar claims that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is going to be a bit cheaper than its predecessor. So guys, this is all of the information we know so far yet regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and hope so you have liked this video. This is probably my first video on an Android smartphone, and most likely on a Samsung Galaxy Note series. And guys, if you really like this video, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also leave a comment that which video you want to see next. Again, again, if you have not checked my other videos regarding the iPhone SE, the iPhone 11, its launch date, its camera specification and lots more, then don't forget to check out my channel, because there are lots of videos which you may really like. So again, thanks a lot for watching this video guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.